Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. This video is actually going to be a bathroom makeover for 3 bathrooms. I was asked a few months ago to pretty much design a home. No, I am not an interior designer, but I love making things beautiful. A young lady that I had knew for a very long time, she pretty much reached out to me and asked me would I be available, to style her home. I get asked to do projects all the time, but most of the time I am declining. Pretty much because I already have a full-time, very demanding career in which I support a 24-hour operation. It has nothing to do with interior design, but that is what takes up most of my time, as well as I'm a mom. If you guys don't know that, I have a 12-year-old son. I have 2 grandsons. I am dating someone full-time, as well as I'm here on YouTube creating content for you guys. So the time is just not there. Not that I wouldn't love to do it, but it is very time consuming in order to style or design a home. But I knew I was going to be taking quite a bit of time off for the holidays, so I have been hired to style an entire home. So the first bathroom makeover that I want to share with you guys is my client's downstairs powder room. Check it out.
When you enter the powder room, it's typical, just like any other powder room. It has a pedestal sink and a toilet, but I knew this particular wall that you see as soon as you open the door had to have a statement piece. There is also a wall opposite the toilet and the pedestal sink, and it is the entrance of the bathroom where the door swings into. And then opposite the entrance above the pedestal sink is a round mirror.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, before I talk to you guys about the powder room, I just want to make a disclaimer. There is no authorization to make any cosmetic changes such as paint, such as changing out light fixtures or anything like that. So everything that I share with you guys is renter friendly. My job is simply to select decor, select furniture, and then style it. My client pretty much gave me creative control over her entire house. Her only request was she wanted each room to have a wow factor. She wanted each room to have its own personality. So every bathroom that I am going to share with you guys in this video is completely different. But the very first thing that I seen that inspired this particular look was the metal gold leaf wall art. When I seen those, it absolutely sparked an idea, and I knew that I was going to go with a tropical theme, and I absolutely love it. My client loves it. It's a wow factor when you open the door. So when you walk into the powder room, those huge gold leaves are the first thing that you see, and I think that they are about 3 feet tall. Now, just to be fair to my client, lifestyle lover, she did allow me to share her home with you guys. So I'm not going to let you know where I purchased every single item from, but everything that I purchased is attainable. Nothing was custom in the bathrooms. I'll give you a list of some of the stores that I shopped at for the powder room, which was Homegoods. We know it's hard to style a home or a room without going to Homegoods. I also bought pieces from Target, Walmart as well, Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond. So all of those stores, I was able to pull this look together, and I absolutely love it. It's actually inspiration for me to change out my powder room this year in 2021. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now we're going to move on to her second guest bath, which is located upstairs. Check it out.
The layout of the first guest bath is as follows. You have the sink and the toilet, which is located on the left side. Opposite that side is a towel bar, and right next to the towel bar is a linen closet. And on the opposite side of the towel bar, as you can see, you have the tub and the shower combination. The door pretty much swings into the linen closet, so it is obstructed. You would have to close the door in order to access that closet, and then you have a large wall above the toilet.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got.
Now for this particular guest bath, lifestyle lovers, it was supposed to be a hue of blues, but it actually turned into kind of like a coastal theme. It was not on purpose, but as I was shopping for the items, I wanted to add some white in there. So I brought some white into the guest bath with, of course, coastal items. As you can see, the shell that was on the countertop. So I was able to incorporate the white into the blue with the coastal vibe, which any type of coastal brings on a very calming, relaxing feeling. The stores that I shopped at for this particular bathroom, Lifestyle Lovers, was actually Amazon. It was Bed Bath & Beyond. I shopped at Homegoods as well. I found some items at Ross. In this particular bathroom, I chose to use the double shower curtain method, which I hung one of the shower curtains as close to the ceiling as it would go. And then I incorporated a blue shower curtain liner. I really like how the first guest bathroom turned out. And most importantly, the client loves it. And last but not least, Lifestyle Lovers, I want to share the third guest bathroom of my client with you guys. So check it out.
The second guest bath has the sink and the mirror on the right side with a partition that separates the toilet. The opposite side of the toilet and the sink, there is a large wall with a towel bar.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night. Oh, don't wanna wait all we can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
Okay, Lifestyle Lovers, so just to talk about the third guest bath. So I chose ivories, some natural browns, as well as some pops of gold in there, which gives a very nice and calming vibe to the bathroom. As the client stated, she wanted each room to have their own individual personality. So in the third guest bath, I did not go all the way to the ceiling with the shower curtain. I just chose to hang it at the regular height. I added some pampas grass in there for a very natural, calming vibe. And although I'm not really a neutral girl, I absolutely love this bathroom. And most importantly, the client loves it. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I'm so excited that I was able to get this opportunity to style someone's home. Although it's a lot of work. It's more work than I actually thought it was going to be, but I am absolutely loving the process. I am grateful that my client allowed me to share the process with you guys. There are other rooms that I am styling for her. I have a living room. There is a eat-in kitchen, as well as an entryway, a formal living room, an office, a game room, and a loft area. So all of those areas I will be styling and I will be sharing with you guys. But of course, the bathroom was the easiest in my opinion. And those are the rooms that I pretty much started on first. The rest of the rooms, of course, were waiting on furniture and other items to come in. Some items were custom, some items were not. But of course, due to COVID and, you know, the holidays, items are on back order. But as far as the bathrooms are concerned, let me know which was your favorite bathroom. My favorite was the powder room. I absolutely love the golds and the greens and the whites. That's my favorite room. It has that wow factor when you enter the room. If you have upstairs and downstairs, a lot of people that enter my home don't make it to the upstairs. If I walked into that powder room in someone's home, the first thing that I would think is, what does the rest of the house look like if the powder room looks like this? So I absolutely love it. My client loves it. Comment below and let me know which was your favorite bathrooms out of the three. Was it the powder room with the tropical theme, or was it the second guest with a coastal vibe, or did you just, you know, prefer the neutrals, you know, something simple, not doing too much? But that is pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Stay tuned for more styling videos like this. Make sure that you are subscribed so you will not miss the rest of the decorating and styling process of my client's home. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.